All right, today is kind of a snowy day, so I brought my 4x6 trailer in to pretty much service it, refurbish it a little bit. It's a couple things wrong with it, but I'm actually fixing this trailer. And this trailer right here, I might fix this one. This is pretty much just like a wheelchair ramp that I put a small lawnmower on when I'm just running just a push mower. So let's get to work. I'm gonna go ahead and get another piece of 4x6 plywood for this trailer because over time it just chipped away and tore up a little bit. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do on here is the back of the gate tore off of here, and it's supposed to be up on there. So what I'm gonna do is weld this back to here so it could be like the other side. Because what happens is I put my lawnmower up on here, and that side just falls down. Because this X mark right here is 800 pounds. And the reason why it happened is because these things break on these so easily. These little pins on here. These pins break on here so easily. They didn't break this time for whatever reason. So I used to just use just one. Just so if the other one didn't break, at least I would have one left. But by doing that, by just using only that pin and just leaving this back all the time, it didn't secure the gate to where over time it just snapped this down. So basically just trying to be to save at least one of these because they break so easily. I should have just kept on using both sides anyway, just so it's secure this side, because it just gave out pretty much. So now I'm just going to sand that down and try to weld it back together. Alright, so that closed that gap up pretty nice. Real nice. All right, the camera cut off on me last time, a couple days ago when I was working on this, but you saw the first part, and I'm trying to focus in on this. I pretty much welded it back together. This was actually my first time doing this type of welding, so it don't look pretty, but it looked like it did the job. If I could focus in on this. I'll probably do a follow-up video of me putting the motor up on there, seeing if it actually worked, but it don't look bad for my first time doing this type of welding. Alright, now for this trailer, we're gonna put this new S-hook on here because what happens is these little clips on these S-hooks fall off over time just from wear and tear. So we're gonna cut this off and then put this one on. So what I might do is just wrap this around when I put it on there. Wrap it in the inside one good time, like loop it around, and just put a lock on there. I'm gonna buy one bigger than this. That way it locks on, latches to the back of the what's the name? The back of my trailer hitch and just lock it on there like that. That's the plan. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so my license plate is held on just by these little zip ties. So I'm gonna put another one. I'm gonna put a couple of them on, a couple more on there. Just shake it up real good. And then you see like these little spots where it got rust. Right there.